Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Beautiful Soap. Let us see the contents. Introduction to Beautiful Soap. What is Beautiful Soap? Installing and importing Beautiful Soap. Parsing HTML with Beautiful Soap. Navigating the HTML tree. Searching and filtering HTML elements. Extracting data from HTML. Handling different HTML structures. Handling errors and exceptions. Conclusion. Introduction to Beautiful Soap. Beautiful Soap is a powerful Python library that makes it easy to phrase, navigate, search, and modify HTML and XML documents. It is a critical tool in the world of web scraping, allowing developers to extract data from complex websites with minimal effort. Whether you are building a data-driven application, conducting market research, or monitoring online content, Beautiful Soap can be a game changer in your workflow. What is Beautiful Soap? Beautiful Soap is a Python library that provides a simple way to parse HTML and XML documents. It creates a parse tree from the source code, allowing you to navigate, search, and modify the tree. This makes it easy to extract the specific data you need from web pages, even if the HTML structure is complex or inconsistent. With Beautiful Soap, you can quickly and efficiently scrap content, links, images, and other elements from websites without having to write complex regular expressions or deal with the intricacies of HTML parsing. Now let us see installing and importing Beautiful Soap. Installing Beautiful Soap. To install Beautiful Soap, you will first need to install the library. You can do this using pip, the Python package manager, by running the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Importing Beautiful Soap. Once you have the library installed, you can import it in your Python script using the following code. Specifying the HTML parser. By default, Beautiful Soap will use the Python standard library's HTML parser, but you can also specify a different parser, such as XML, which may be faster or more lenient in certain situations. Parsing HTML with Beautiful Soap. Fetch the HTML. The first step in Beautiful Soap is to fetch the HTML content you want to phrase. This can be done by making an HTTP request to a URL or by reading the HTML from a file. Now, create a Beautiful Soap object. Once you have the HTML, you can create a Beautiful Soap object by parsing the HTML content and the parser you want to use as arguments to the Beautiful Soap constructor. Next, with the Beautiful Soap object, you can now start navigating and searching the HTML structure to extract the data you need. Now let us see navigating the HTML tree. Navigating by tag name. You can use the tag name to navigate the HTML tree, such as soap.find or soap.find all. Navigating by attributes. You can also navigate the tree by searching for specific attributes such as soap.find. Navigating by hierarchy. You can navigate the tree by moving up, down, and sideways using methods like dot parent, dot children, and dot next sibling. Now let us talk about searching and filtering HTML elements. Find and find all methods allow you to search for HTML elements based on various criteria such as tag name, attributes, and text content. Next is CSS selectors. Beautiful Soap also supports CSS selectors, which can be a powerful way to target specific elements on a web page. Filtering the lambdas. You can use lambda functions to create custom filtering rules, allowing you to target elements based on complex criteria. Chaining searches. You can chain multiple search and filter operations together to narrow down your results and extract the exact data you need. Next is extracting data from HTML. Text content. Extract the text content from HTML elements using the .text or .string attributes. Access the attributes of HTML elements such as the href attribute of an tag. Extract the source URLs of images and other media using the appropriate attributes. Next is tables. Parse HTML tables and extract the data into a structured format, such as a list or a pandas data frame. Now let us talk about handling different HTML structures. There are three different structures: nested HTML, dynamic content, inconsistent formatting. Let us see one by one. Beautiful Soup can handle deeply nested HTML structures, allowing you to navigate complex document trees. Dynamic content: when dealing with websites that use JavaScript to load content dynamically, you can need to use additional tools like Selenium or Request HTML to capture the fully rendered HTML. Inconsistent formatting: Beautiful Soup is designed to be tolerant of poorly formatted HTML, making it a robust choice for scraping data from a wide range of websites. Next is handling errors and exceptions. There are exceptions, description, and handling. HTTP error: raised when there is a HTTP error. Catch the exception and handle the error approximately. URL error: raised when there is a problem with the URL. Catch the exception and handle the error approximately. Attribute error: raised when an attribute does not exist on an object. Use try expect blocks to handle missing attributes. Index error: raised when trying to access an index that is out of range. Use try except blocks to handle invalid indices. Now let us see conclusion and best practices. Be respectful. When web scraping, it's important to be respectful of the website's terms of services and not overload this server with excessive requests. Use caching. Implement caching mechanisms to avoid making unnecessary requests and improve the efficiency of your web scraping process. Handle errors gracefully. Anticipate and handle various types of errors and exceptions that may rise during web scraping to ensure your code is robust and reliable. Automate and scale. Use Beautiful Soap in combination with the other tools and libraries to automate and scale your web scraping workflows, making them more efficient and effective. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video.